a lot of different questions about different types of cases. Obviously, a big one is, what's going on with my case if I'm, waiting for the embassy. The embassies are essentially not doing interviews in most cases, especially for green card cases. So those are stalled and they're backing up. These cases are just piling up. So when they do reopen, you can expect a delay. And sometimes cases need background checks, so it takes longer to get those. They have to go to the U.S. for them to do background checks. They might not be full staffed in the United States. So there's a lot of these kind of problems that are happening. There may be embassy employees that are sick, so there are less people there. So, for example, Minta Soup says, when is the system going to open? Well, the system is open and operating. They're just not doing interviews. And so just like and rest not just in immigration, but everywhere else in the world, and Nikhil asks as well, when do you think the embassies will open? Whenever you think, the situation gets better. Like, for example, I don't know in California when things are going to open up everywhere. So I don't, no one has an answer to that. We're just waiting for the people in charge to let us know. I don't know when things are opening. That's just me randomly guessing something that I have no facts or information about. So I can't really do an intelligent decision or discussion about that. You just have to be patient, and that's just the way it is. Unfortunately, this coronavirus situation is a mess. And I was saying, the embassy employees, even if they do reopen, you might have employees that are sick. And if they're sick, then there's no one else there to interview you. So to see what happens. Mita Soup says, my case is pending past 25 months, still no update. We'll have to see what kind of case you have and where it is. You could always contact the National Visa Center or the USCIS or State Department. It really depends on where it's stalled and what kind of case it is. So there's a lot more information that I would need to talk about that.